Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. Happy Vlogmas day. What is today, Mom?
17th.
Day 17th. Y'all, I never know the day, okay? Don't clock me in the comments. Don't talk about my Corbin blue, y'all. I got rained on real bad yesterday, okay? I didn't even know it was supposed to rain yesterday. It just started raining out the blue, and it wasn't even hard rain. It was like that misty, nasty rain. So I have not done my hair yet, y'all, but I am going to do my hair this week, so stay tuned for that video. Today, y'all, I'm just going to be, oh my gosh, this is let me find out I need to drink something. My throat all choky. Okay, y'all. I felt like I was in the choky with Matilda. Clock that. Y'all, I'm only going to try the Sprite today, okay? These two. I'm going to try the cherry one and the tropical mix, okay? Y'all know in my previous video, I went to the store and I got these Sprites, y'all, okay? Y'all see it? I'm up in here looking for me a Sprite for the challenge. Oh, look, maybe I'll just do a tasting. Because, look, they got 3 different kinds. So I'm going to try them for y'all on camera. And then tomorrow, I'm going to do the Sprite challenge. Y'all, I'm so nervous. Because y'all see how the last time I was burping? Y'all, when I tell y'all that was light work, that was light work. It seemed like my acid reflux was like trying to act modest. Because when I tell y'all I normally be burping way worse than that, it gets horrible around here. So, with that being said, y'all, I don't know what y'all gonna run into tomorrow. But I'm only gonna try these. I'm not going to down them like I'm doing a challenge. I'm just going to tell y'all how it tastes. Now, I cannot promise y'all that I'm not going to burp, though. But let's start this, okay, y'all? Because right now, what I am doing is procrastinating. I don't like cherry. Let me put that out there, y'all. At all. I don't like to eat cherries. I don't like nothing with cherry in it. Drink, juice, medicine, none of that. So, yeah, I am definitely dreading this one. But I'm going to try this one first because I think that the tropical mix is going to hit better. All right, y'all. Cheers. Let's see about it. Y'all know I'm going to try it again before I tell y'all anything. Okay. Is it just me? Oh my goodness, excuse me, y'all. Woo! Excuse me. Guess I needed that. I don't even know. Because to me, it doesn't even taste like cherry. What it tastes like, I don't know. But it actually shocked me a little bit because it doesn't have a strong cherry taste. Y'all don't know what this tastes like. But it doesn't taste like cherry to me. At all. But it's actually good. It's not nasty. It's really good. But what it tastes like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to check the date. Make sure it ain't old. Because it does not have a strong cherry taste at all. Alright, y'all. Moving on to the tropical mix. Now, this one, I hope it's good. And this is why I saved this one for last. I hope it's good. Y'all, and I hope I don't be burping like that again. Okay? Now, this one I can smell. As soon as I open it, y'all can smell it. This one smells really good. I can already tell. This one smells really good, y'all. This tropical mix, that cherry one, it don't smell like nothing to me. Let's see. Cheers. And this one is way stronger. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm about to have to get up off of here. Woo! I'm about Mom, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm about to have to get off of here.
I think they heard
Wow.
in space.
Mom, not too much. Talking about something, I think they heard that in space. Y'all, she be ODing sometimes. And let me tell y'all, matter of fact, I'm so glad that she said something. Let me tell y'all why I have acid reflux so bad.
Oh, gosh.
Because of my mom. When she was pregnant with me, she ate pizza every day. Had to have it. So yes, what do you think that would give you? Birth of a burpy child. So now here I am, acid reflux 2.0, because my mom couldn't stay off of pizza. Picture that. And guess what I like, y'all? Pizza. With acid reflux. Thanks a lot, Mom. We appreciate you. Oh, y'all, I'm out. I'm out, y'all. I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna try it one more time, y'all, because I think I only sipped it once, y'all. I'm gonna sip it one more time for y'all, and then that is it. When I tell y'all I'm getting off here, I'm getting off of here, because I was not supposed to be sitting here burping like this today. I promise y'all that. The challenge is tomorrow. Help me, please. All right, y'all. Last one. For all the people in the back, last sip. Cheers. Woo. Y'all, this is good. Ooh. But it is so strong. So y'all, out of the both, even though I drank more of the cherry, but y'all, this right here, tropical mix, is bomb.com. Okay? Hands down, delicious. And it's stronger than the cherry one. Y'all can even see how it's fizzing more than that cherry one. It is delicious. So if y'all have ever tried the Sprite cherry or the Sprite tropical mix, let your girl know in the comments down below how y'all like them, okay? And y'all, until we try it again, until we vibe again, until I see y'all tomorrow in tomorrow's Vlogmas, y'all. Hopefully I don't be burping like that during this Sprite challenge, okay? Y'all pray for me tonight. Bye. I'm back. I know I left, but I'm back. Let me tell y'all how. Remember I was like that the cherry one tastes weak. It didn't have a strong smell or anything. I was like, let me see if it's expired. Y'all, this soda is expired. It expired November the 18th, 2024. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? I hope that y'all can see that. November. Y'all, want y'all to see it so bad. But I hope that y'all can see that. It expired November the 18th, 2024. This is why I told y'all I could not find a Sprite in any store I went to do the Sprite challenge. So I called myself stopping past a little corner store, y'all. And this is what you get when you be stopping past them little corner stores. And I normally check dates on everything. Chip, candy. But y'all, I have never thought that I had to check dates on drinks. So just a FYI, please check dates on everything. Drinks, chip, all that. Whatever that you get out of a store. Because I check it on food items, y'all. But I be like, drinks normally last for a very long time. So that tells you like how long did they done had this Sprite up in their store. that it's expired November of last month. Okay? Picture that. But y'all, that is it. Okay? I'll see y'all in the next one.